guys. Hi guys. So today we're gonna be cleaning Trisha's room. Heart. Yes, heart. Love you guys. So she is my little helper. Are you gonna help me today? You're gonna help me? Don't look at that. You're gonna help me? So guys, my room is so messy. And my cousin is coming next week. So we're gonna clean it. Let's go, say. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Wow! Wow! Transition. First thing I'm gonna clean is this stuff on the floor, which is very messy because I recently had, like, by the way, I live in the loft room, so my wardrobe is a cloth cupboard because we can't get anything like wooden or steel or whatever upstairs here, so that's why I have a cloth cupboard. I had one before, which was this one, yeah, and then it broke because of the weight, I think, of my clothes, which is too much. Yeah, so that's why I got another cupboard and I fixed it recently, and that's why all my stuff is on the floor. Yeah, so that's gonna be the first step of me trying to get this off the floor and get it somewhere inside secure. She is so annoying. Now she's finding another target on my table. Keep that there. Keep that there. Mama! And we used to see this as kids. We used to get scared. These nowadays kids don't even get scared by that. Like, her not being here could make my life a lot easier, but no, she is ruining it more and more.
Look.
I think I'm gonna have a mental breakdown, Mango.
What?
What? What do you mean, what? Yeah, guys, my life. She's so annoying. Bring Disha's clip, bring that clip, bring those. Lazy ass. She is so lazy. Look at this, guys.
No.
So guys, I just dropped Manko downstairs near my mom and dad, I got this for myself. Okay guys, progress. So I've whatever was on the floor, that's all somewhere in the suitcases and the wardrobe. But my bed is a mess right now, which I don't want to show you guys because I sleep there and then you guys are gonna be like, oh my god, Trisha, where you sleep, you keep that disgusting. It's not like disgusting. Gym mat I got like 3 years ago. Like me and my friend Soho, we were like, oh, we're gonna do mat exercises at home, and then we got gym mats, yoga mats, which I still have. Manku loves to do exercises on this. She just goes to the corner where this is and she's like, exercise, and then she gets it and then she spreads it on the floor and then she goes. Like, she doesn't do it like, and then I have to fold it again and again. So this time I was thinking to put it somewhere where she cannot find it. Where could that be? Because she goes in every corner of the room. Oh, I just remembered that Manku dropped water on my shoes today. Like, I gave her some water to drink earlier and she was drinking some in a weird way and then she dropped it on her clothes and on my shoes as well. Anyways, guys, I get distracted so easily. Like, I get sidetracked very easily. Like, even when I was at uni, I used to do my coursework and stuff, right? After every minute, I used to pick up my phone, watch reels. Keep my phone, after 5 seconds, pick up my phone, watch reels for 10 minutes, then do my coursework, and then get sidetracked very easily. But not right now. So guys, I'm cleaning my table right now because it's very dirty, disgusting. It's 7 o'clock right now and I start doing all of this like 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, yeah, and then I got my coffee so that I don't fall asleep. We'll try to clean my room, like just clean my table right now. Like, the table is taking the longest because there are like tiny stuff, but when it's like big stuff it's easy to put away, but when it's like tiny stuff you have to take it. You get me.
Let me show you guys something. It's very cute. Some cute things. First is this. Sohu drew it for me. This is me and this is Sohu. Obviously, the tall one is her. And then it's Trishu and Sohu. Forever. And then I think she signed it. Then I have our friends pictures. Friends experience pictures like this. This is one of my favorite days ever. And then I have a certificate of when me and Sangi went for the waffle making class. So we are like waffle making experts, like, yeah, Stroop waffle actually, not waffle, Stroop waffle certificate. And then finally, I have this box in which the best cookies I've ever had came in. And it has memories though, this box. Like, this is when me and my dad went to Lisbon. Then this is, I think, the travel card from Lisbon. Then I have some cinnamon powder which spilled, I guess, because I can smell it. Me and Eva and me and Sangi. Me and Sangi's is from Amsterdam, mine and Eva's is from London. And then, yeah, again me and Evo. And then I have this wrapper, chocolate wrapper, which is customized. It is Go Lankan. So, Goan and Sri Lankan. Like mine and Sangi's. Like, I'm Goan, she's Sri Lankan. So, if you combine it, Go Lankan. Hee hee. Hee hee. So, yeah, that's what I want to show you guys. I like that cute stuff on my table. It's not all messy.
You know, one thing which is so bad about me, like, I feel like a spoiled brat with this, that sometimes I forget to return stuff which doesn't fit me. Like, for example, I got a Bershka jacket, yeah, and it was in the size small, yeah, smaller, yeah, and it did not fit me, so I I was like, let me return it. So I did like click return and whatever, get the the code and stuff, and then I got another one for me, and I wear it like often. But the first one, which is like in the size small, I forgot to return it, and now like I got that back in November, and now it's what, June. So that's there. So I'm trying to sell it on Vinted. Then there are dresses which I got for Easter, which I did return again, but I did not return. Like I got the return label and everything, but I did not return. So I feel like an entitled brat when this thing happens. Like, let me go and give it to my mom and see if she wants the dress, because it's really good. It's 9:20 right now, and I'm almost done. Like, I think I've done most of my cleaning, and now I just have to let's stitch. Na, na, na. This is all from today. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Oh my god, my eye is hurting so much, this side. Anyways, I just took a shower and it's like 11 o'clock. It's 10:56, 10:55. See, I'm so blind. Anyways, I've done my whole room makeover, everything. My favorite part, let me show you guys this. This, and then my table. It's messy right now, but I'm gonna take some things downstairs, so it's not gonna be as messy. Anyways, let me go have food and then talk, because I need food. Guys, I'm gonna decide what pictures I'm gonna post, stick on the wall behind me while watching Brazil versus Haiti. This is what I could get. It feels like, it looks like a mood board, but anyways, I've tried my best. I'm gonna try doing something else with it tomorrow when it's in like clear daylight. So yeah, that was it. That was me cleaning my room. You know guys, what I've noticed like about myself, that whenever I record myself, I get the work done. Like for example, even when I was in uni, when I used to record myself doing practicing my coursework, Jesus, seriously bro, I mean, yeah, it was offside. And yeah, anyways, I was saying, yeah, like even when I was back at uni, I used to do my coursework. Like I used to practice my viva and stuff. I used to record myself, because that's how I used to be productive, because my phone used to be used for filming and I can't use it, because I have a bad habit of using my phone every second. Like I have my phone all the time. Like if you message me, I'll reply to you quickly, really quick, if I'm not sleeping. Yeah, but anyways, that was it. Bye bye, good night, see you.